The Red Book, What to Do When You're Angry. Imagine a rainbow. The rainbow has a color for every feeling. Sometimes one color shines brighter than the others. Red is angry. Orange is for when I feel shy. Green is scared. Pink is feeling worried. Purple is for feeling nervous. Yellow is for when I feel excited. Light blue is for when I feel happy. Dark blue is for when I'm sad. This book is for when red is the brightest color in your rainbow. Find tips to help you when you're feeling angry. Target practice. When we are angry, we might shout and scream or throw things around, but that's not good for anyone. If you feel the need to throw something, you can safely aim at this target. Grab some scrap paper, squint it up into a ball, take a few steps back, and throw the paper at the target as hard as you can. Make sure you have lots of space around you so you don't bump into anything or anyone. Throw the paper at this. Aim at the center. The shout hole. Have you ever been so angry that you just wanted to shout at the person or thing that was making you mad? We think that screaming at someone will make us feel better, but it doesn't help, and it can make things worse. Meet the shout hole. You can shout whatever you want into it. Take the shout hole to a quiet room away from other people so you can be as loud as you need to be, and shout into it. Clear your mind. It's hard to think clearly or make good decisions when you're angry. Some people say that anger makes their mind feel cloudy. If your mind is feeling cloudy, try this. Lie on your back somewhere comfortable and hold the book over your head, or you can close your eyes and imagine the clouds instead. Take a deep breath and slowly try to blow the clouds away. Take a deep breath. This is a big cloud. A long, slow breath might move this one. Blow this one away. Push the button. Exercise makes our bodies and our minds feel better. So let's get moving and get happy. Find an open area with nothing to bump into. There are 5 buttons that you need to press in order. To get a good workout, you must choose a place, a way that you can run before you can press your next button. Ready, set, go. Press button number 1, then start running. Run to number 2. Press it. Run again. Press 3. Keep going. Press button 4. Run to the last one. Press 5. Good job. Make sure you take a few minutes to rest after you press your last button. I'm so angry I could. A good way to deal with anger is to talk about what's bothering you, but sometimes this seems too hard. It's okay if talking about your feelings out loud seems too scary. Instead, you can write your own feelings. Cut or tear a sheet of paper into 4 pieces. On each one, write, I'm so angry I could, and then finish the sentence, or draw a picture. You can show it to someone you trust to let them know how you feel. Here are some examples. I'm so angry I could explode like a volcano. I'm so angry I could wrestle a hippo. I'm so angry I could pop 1,000,000 balloons. I'm so angry I could shout loud enough to start an earthquake. The calm elevator. When we are angry, we breathe quickly, but breathing slowly can help us relax. Imagine you are tall buildings. Sit or stand up straight and place one hand on top of the other one near your waist. Your bottom hand is the ground floor, and your top hand is an elevator. As you breathe in, raise the elevator hand up. As you breathe out, bring it back down. Breathing in, move your elevator up slowly as you breathe in. Breathing out, move your elevator down slowly as you breathe out. Super you. Sometimes we might shout at someone when we don't mean to. Then when we've calmed down, we might feel bad about it. That's okay. When we feel like this, it is important to remember how super we are. Get a trusted adult or friend and follow the steps. Step 1. Get some pencils and paper. Step 2. Write or draw something you are good at or why people like you. Don't let the other person see. Step 3. At the same time, ask the other person to do the same thing about you. Don't look at their paper either. Step 4. When you are both finished, show each other what makes you so super. Here's some ideas. Countdown. Count down from 10 if you're feeling angry. It will make you feel calmer. Your happy place. Find somewhere quiet and close your eyes. Imagine a peaceful, relaxing place. What color is the sky? What can you see? What can you hear? Talking timer. When we are angry, we might say something we don't mean. Give yourself a few seconds before talking. This will help you speak in a calmer and nicer way. Stretch. Gently rolling your neck and your shoulders can help relax your mind and body. Sweet dreams. Make sure you get enough sleep every night. This will help you feel better and happier. Feeling better? If you feel calmer now is a good time to think about what made you feel angry and why. How might you handle things the next time you feel angry? Every feeling you have is important, and this book will be there whenever you need it. Remember, you are like everyone else. We all have colorful minds.